Hello, and welcome back to Narcissism Freedom, your space for clarity, healing, and reclaiming your life. Today we're talking about something that many survivors eventually realize, often with a painful sense of clarity. The narcissist is a time waster, not just emotionally draining, not just manipulative, but someone who consumes your years, your momentum, your growth, and leaves you wondering where the time went. Let's break this down from every angle. First, stop losing years to them. One of the most devastating realizations survivors face is not just what happened, but how long it happened for. Months turn into years. Years turn into a decade. You keep believing things will change. You keep waiting for consistency. You keep investing. And time keeps moving. Narcissistic relationships are built on cycles, not progress. There's the love bombing, the devaluation, the confusion, the temporary reconciliation. Then it starts again. You're not building. You're looping. While you're stuck in emotional survival mode, your personal goals get postponed. Your confidence shrinks. Your dreams get delayed. You tell yourself, once this settles down, I'll focus on me. But it never settles down. That's how years disappear. Second, here's why they stall your life. Narcissists thrive on control. And one of the most effective ways to control someone is to keep them emotionally off balance. When you're constantly trying to decode someone's behavior, fix misunderstandings, or earn basic respect, you don't have the mental space to expand your life. You're in reaction mode, not growth mode. They create instability on purpose. Mixed signals, silent treatments, sudden mood shifts, manufactured crises. You become preoccupied. And preoccupied people don't progress, they survive. A narcissist may not physically stop you from chasing your goals, but they will drain your focus, question your confidence, and subtly sabotage your momentum. If you try to grow, they may compete with you. If you succeed, they may minimize it. If you need support, they may disappear. The result? You hesitate. You shrink. You delay. That is stalling. Third, they keep you stuck on purpose. This part is uncomfortable, but necessary. Narcissists benefit from your stagnation. If you grow too much, you may outgrow them. If you heal too deeply, you may see through them. If you become confident, you may leave. So keeping you confused, insecure, or emotionally attached serves a function. They may promise change just when you're about to walk away. They may create drama when your life starts stabilizing. They may reappear when you finally feel free. It's not random. It's maintenance. They maintain access. They maintain influence. They maintain a supply source. And every time you restart the cycle, your timeline resets. Fourth, and they know it. This doesn't mean every narcissist sits around calculating years on a calendar, but they're highly aware of leverage, attachment, and emotional hooks. They know how long you've been invested. They know the history you share. They know you don't want to throw away the time. That's called the sunk cost fallacy, the belief that because you've already invested so much, you should keep going. They rely on that. They may say things like, "We've been through so much. No one will ever understand you like I do. After all this time, you're just going to walk away?" Yes, you can. Time invested does not obligate future suffering. The narcissist may waste your time, but you do not have to keep donating it. Now, let's talk about the emotional cost. Time wasted in narcissistic dynamics isn't just about years on a calendar. It's about missed opportunities. Opportunities to feel safe, to grow confidently, to build reciprocal relationships, to pursue goals without constant emotional turbulence. When you're entangled with someone who thrives on instability, your nervous system stays activated. Chronic stress becomes normal. You adapt to chaos. And survival mode steals time quietly. You may not notice it at first. You're too busy trying to make things work. But eventually you look up and realize you've been circling the same problems for years. That realization hurts. And it can trigger anger at them and at yourself. But here's the important shift. You are not foolish. You are hopeful. Hope is not weakness. It's humanity. The responsibility for manipulation belongs to the manipulator. What matters now is what you do next. Reclaiming your time starts with reclaiming your focus. You stop arguing about things that will never change. You stop explaining yourself to someone committed to misunderstanding you. You stop waiting for consistency from someone who benefits from chaos. And slowly, your energy returns. You begin investing in yourself again. You reconnect with goals that were postponed. You feel mental space opening up. That's what happens when the time drain stops. It may feel uncomfortable at first. Silence can feel strange when you're used to constant drama. Peace can feel unfamiliar when chaos was normal. But that discomfort is detox. Your life begins moving forward again. Not in loops, but in lines. And here's the empowering truth. Time is only wasted if you learn nothing. If you walk away with clarity, stronger boundaries, sharper discernment, and deeper self-trust, then even painful years become instruction. The narcissist may have wasted your time, but you can reclaim your future. You can decide that from this moment forward, your time is sacred. No more circular conversations. No more emotional additions. No more waiting for potential to become reality. You choose progress over promises. If you're listening to this and realizing how much time you've lost, take a breath. Regret is natural. Grief is natural. Anger is natural. But do not let shame steal more time. Awareness is the turning point. The moment you see the pattern clearly is the moment the clock resets in your favor. You cannot change the years behind you, but you can absolutely protect the years ahead of you. The narcissist is a time waster, but you don't have to be a time donor anymore. Your time is your life. And from here forward, you guard it wisely. If this message resonated with you, remember, clarity is power. Every boundary you set, every cycle you refuse to re-enter, and every moment you choose peace over chaos is time reclaimed. You are not behind. You are becoming aware. And awareness is where freedom begins.